Andrew, and everyone. I had to show you something. Especially you, Andrew Reams, Diesel Deucey. I wanted to show you this padlock. Give me a second, I want to turn off the TV. Put this right here. Now, this is a padlock. I just got it last week at some hardware store. This is how it works. It is a Fortress lock. Where's the... There it is. See? Fortress, focus. It is a Fortress padlock. I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Now watch closely. So I'm only going to do this once. See, I put the key in. I wish I had a tripod or something. Oh. Well, let me just turn it for you. Watch this. You know what? Huh. Oh, okay. Maybe I could. Oh. I could place it down right here. Now I can show you, see? Here's how it works. That's how it works. Gotta push it back in. I just press this. And, oh, there we go. And here's the key. There's my computer. Here's the key for it. It is a Fortress key. See? Alrighty. Put this back in here. And that'll be it.